Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you're all doing well. It's my day off and I have been itching to get outside, except the only problem is it's 40 degrees out. But finally, we've got some cloud cover, so I'm getting out here. I'm gonna go for a little hike along the river, see what wildlife we can find. I've changed the mounting position for my GoPro. I'm gonna be mounting it on my backpack right there. Uh-oh. Well, it's gonna start raining. It should pass though, it's not a lot. We'll be fine. Oh. This Tamron lens, the 20 mil, definitely not weatherproof. I'm gonna cover that up and go back into the trees here. Oh, here comes the rain for real. Oh, I'm just hunched over right now trying to cover the camera. It might be time to pack things up for a minute. Damn, what the heck? I waited all day to come out here and now it's just absolutely pouring. Ah! Well, it was not supposed to rain today, but good news is, you can probably tell behind me, it's already looking a little bit foggy. Yeah, this rain's cooling things down rapidly. So if I can just wait this out and try not to get too soaked, I think we've got a pretty good hike on our hands, as long as this passes over. Oh man, there's not a lot of coverage over here. Oh, green heron, dude. Okay, I gotta be quiet. The wildlife is out here. Okay, up ahead there's a little more cover. All right, so I just scared a green heron. I'm gonna get the wildlife lens out. That's all waterproof, so I'm not too worried. Might give it a few more minutes though, just so I don't soak it. Yeah, let's try to get some wildlife shots in the rain. This could be really cool.
I don't know if this is a good idea or not.
All right, so first ever lens swap in the rain with hardly any cover above me. Went pretty successful, but I don't think I ever want to do that again. Let's switch to the GoPro now and see if we can find that heron. Here goes nothing. Okay, everything looks normal on the GoPro. I am still gonna wait it out just a little longer. As soon as this rain breaks off for a minute, we're running to the next section of the forest so we can keep going along this river. And the green heron might be up ahead. I don't know if you guys saw that, but yeah, Mink's right in front of me. I wasn't paying attention, he was right there. But here's my thoughts. Rain just naturally gets everything out, especially after a really hot day. I mean, we've already seen the green heron and 2 mink now. Yeah, this rain's making the wildlife extremely active. So I'm thinking our chances today are pretty good. And I feel reinvigorated after getting poured on. We could fit ourselves between those 2 trees down by the water. Or somewhere along here. It's pretty tough to find an opening. And I just scared the great blue heron. Do you guys see that? I am not doing well right now. Honestly though, what are the chances? I've scared 4 things now. Sun's coming out, clouds are going away. Let's do this. I've got an idea on where we're gonna see this great blue heron. We gotta go up top first. We gotta get back down there. Okay, this is literally perfect. We got a problem. The front of my lens is completely fogged over. I'm praying that that's all I'm dealing with right now, because that condensation could also be on my sensor from changing lenses mid-rainfall. I want to check my camera so badly, but opening it would just make things worse. So it's either I give up on the wildlife right now, on all this potential, or I stay here and risk it and hope it clears up and I can take some photos. Yeah, so if you guys can see, green heron's right across from me. Not really the clearest photo. I would definitely, if I was trying to get a photo right now, I'd turn the shutter speed up, but I'm not really sure. You know what, we'll turn it up, we'll try. Make sure bird eye autofocus is on. Crop in a little bit more. Oh, he's doing a little hunt right now. Yeah, that's not good. I mean, I could try to get it. Okay, here. Let's try this. I'm gonna aim through the opening here. Okay, that's not too bad. Part of the reason it was so foggy was because we were shooting through the green branches as well. So, we haven't lost all hope yet. Yeah, the biggest thing is these photos look really washed out. The sharpness seems to be there. Yeah, we're looking at a lot of fog still. And it's been well over 20 minutes. Oh, I see the heron. I thought he was gone. Oh, there's the mink again. They're fishing further up. Okay. For f***'s sake. That kind of day, eh? Oh, it's a video featuring water. I don't know if you guys can see that, because I certainly couldn't photograph it. The mink popped up right in front of me. Oh my god, the door opened. Okay. I just saw the perfect spot to photograph everything. Oh my god. Oh, somebody's been snacking. I don't know if I'm getting off this rock, and the green heron definitely just flew away. Okay. I am now laying in the carcasses of crayfish. That mink is intensely difficult to photograph. He's either running rapidly through the bushes, under the water, or he comes so close that I can't take a photo of him. Okay, turning the backpack around. I just got some sweet shots of him right over there. This mat's gross now.
Oh, it's gonna be all fishy.
This shouldn't be as bad this time.
There we go. Oh, the rock is moving.
Ooh.
There we go.
Next part of the river. This spot's usually a lot quieter. It looks like it might be a juvenile because it's got some like really fluffy feathers. Well, that was a pretty ridiculous adventure. A lot of failed photos, a lot of stupid moments, but it was kind of cool, kind of exciting. I'm just gonna go home, eat some food, double check that the gear is all okay. But yeah, I was definitely right about the rain. At least once it started, I knew it was gonna bring out a lot of wildlife, and it definitely did. I just did not utilize that opportunity properly. Goes to show, like, you've got to be really smart about how you position yourself and how you move from location to location, because I was scaring everything. But once I got situated on that rock, if I had some way of camouflaging myself, sorry, out of breath, that was a huge hill. If I had some way of camouflaging myself, that would have been perfect. All right, I'm gonna take a breather because that hill just knocked the wind out of me while talking.